Ever wished you could take your PS5 gaming on the go, playing your favorite titles anywhere you have an internet connection? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and use Remote Play to stream your PS5 games to your iPad, meaning you can play them almost anywhere. First, make sure your PS5 and iPad are connected to the internet and your PlayStation is powered on. Then, download the PS Remote Play app from the App Store on your iPad if you haven't already. Next, on your PS5, you'll need to enable Remote Play. Head over to Settings, scroll down and select System, then Remote Play, and turn on the Enable Remote Play setting. Make sure your PS5 is linked to the PlayStation Network account you're logged into on your iPad. In the settings of the Remote Play app on your iPad, you should be able to see the sign-in option if you're not using the same account on both devices. Now it's time to connect your PS5 and iPad. Open the PS Remote Play app on your iPad. When you open the app, it will automatically search for your PS5. Alternatively, you can manually link your devices. Select Sign In, put in your account information, and follow the prompts. If you are using a different Wi-Fi, you may need additional setup during the connection process. Once connected, it will display your available consoles to connect. Select your PS5. If the connection is successful, you should see your PS5 home screen on your iPad. From here, you can navigate using on-screen controls or, ideally, connect a compatible Bluetooth controller for a more realistic gaming experience. Test it out by launching a game. Adjust the video quality in the app settings for the best performance based on your internet speed. Try a few different locations, and if you're playing on a different network, the connection and gameplay might be affected. Enjoy your portable gaming experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome gaming tutorials.